Hey, what's happening? My name is Paul Farmer, and let me ask you a question. Would you like to be able to flip $5 into $1,400 this week? If you said yes, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $1,400 this week with only $5. I know it's insane. So I just put up a post on my Facebook wall, and I did this because I wanted you to see an example of what you can do so you can make this money, so you can make this $1,400, all right? So what I'm talking about is something I've talked about in the past. I'm gonna come over to my YouTube channel here, and you can see I have a playlist where I have one, two, three, four, five, six different videos on six different offers for this particular referral bonus that's given to you by Acorns, the Acorns Investment App. Okay, so you can go to my playlist on my YouTube channel if you want to watch any of those. And it's been, I want to say it's been about a month since the last time we had one of these promos. So if we go back over here, you can see they're for various amounts, right? They're for various amounts. We had 350, there was a 1400 and 675, 1000, 1100, and 375. Now, what I want you to understand is if you're watching this at a different time, maybe the promo expired that I'm talking about, they do these promos like pretty much weekly. Sometimes we take breaks. Like this was like, I think it was about a 4 week break. But once you sign up and you're in the system, you can keep doing these promos over and over. And again, you're investing just $5 to make whatever it is they want to make here. Okay, so let's go through this. I got the email, get $1,400 when five friends join. That's the promo this week. All you need is five people to sign up, make an investment of at least $5 into their account, and you get paid the $1,400. You get this invested into your Acorns Investment App. Okay, so and they even give you the $5 back. So let's just look at this all ready to earn your $1,400 bonus. Tap the button, refer, get your referral link with five or more friends. So you share this with five or more friends, they sign up. You're going to get a $1,400 bonus. You're also going to get $5 for each person that signs up. Friends must complete their investment of $5 or more by 12/28/24. Bonuses will be invested within 30 days once Acorns verifies all eligibility criteria have been met. So you get a $1,400 bonus. You click on that button, boom, here it is. Actually, I'm sorry, this one. Let's go here. Join this the link. This is my link. Your link will say your name. Get $5. It goes over what the offer is. You click on redeem offer. And there you go. You're off to the races. You can read all about what Acorns is. It makes it easy to invest. Uh, it's easy to do dollar cost averaging where you're just investing a certain amount every week. They have a thing where they will take a percentage, like so just a few cents left over. Like so if you go and pay for something and there's some change, it will take that change and will put it right into your investment account. So it makes it very easy to start investing. I'm not going to go over all that part. I'm really just going over the referral bonus, which is an insane $1,400. I get people all the time tell me, I don't have any money. I don't have any money. Well, here you go, $5. They give you the $5 back, and all you got to do is go out and refer five people for this particular promo. Some promos are only two people, and you can make $1,400 this week. And they do these promos ongoing. And the cool thing about this too, and I've done videos about this as well. Like if we come back over here, I want to say it was this one here where I went into detail about how you could take this opportunity and flip it into many, 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 many times the amount. Um, Even residual income, which means income that comes in month after month after month after month after month. And all you did was you started with $5. It's insane, right? I think it's insane. So now what I want to do, because I kind of went over what to do here, and all you want to do is go into the description, click on the link, find where it says Acorns, and that's where you're going to go to create your account. Please understand. You can't just sign up for the account and not invest the $5. You must invest the $5. And they give you the $5 right back. So it's like nothing. Well, let's go over some examples because I know I'll have people ask me, "Oh, but how am I going to get five people to invest $5, right? To share an app with them where they can make $1,400. Where can I find those people?" Well, look, I just gave you one example right here, okay? If you have a Facebook account, I mean, you can put this on TikTok, you put this on YouTube, Instagram, wherever people are, you could share this with people, and you can see I already have people. I literally just put this up. I haven't refreshed. I don't know who all is looking at this, but is that enticing or is that enticing? I just found a way to flip $5 into $1,400 a week. Okay, so this is one way. This is curiosity post. This is going to get some traction. Most likely, some people will ask me what this is about. What will I do? I will come up here and I will share my link. That's what I will do. I will share my link with them and get out of the way. Let them read it over. Let them decide what they want to do. That's it. All right, so that's one way to do it. Another way is what I'm doing here. I'm making a video. See, I've made other videos. I'm making a video. I can go make short videos on the same subject, same thing. I can put it on TikTok if I want it. I can put it on Instagram. I can put it on Facebook. I can put it on YouTube. So that's two different ways to market. Now let's talk about sharing it personally with people, like going to people and sharing it with them. Okay, I'm telling you exactly how to make $1,400 this week. I hope you're taking notes. I hope you're paying attention because this works. Okay, this is the easiest way. This is the easy way. Like it's not hard to make a video, but this is the easiest way. Let's go back here. Okay, let's go back here. I just found a way to flip $5 into $1,400 this week. Okay, what could you do? What if you just start reaching out, and go, hey, I don't know if it's for you or not, but I found a way to flip $5 into $1,400. Would you be open to learning about how I do that? Or, hey, I know we don't know each other. I'm just curious. I found a simple way to flip just $5 into $1,400. Would you be open to learning about it? If they say yes, you send them the link. If they say no, move on. Whatever, right? So there you go. That's a whole formula right there. That's a whole formula. Curiosity post, video or videos, and reach outs. And you'll get your 1400 right there. Okay, so I hope you got value. I don't want to make this really long. It's really a very simple process. If you could use some extra money, if you'd like to make $1,400 this week, go to the link in my description, click on the Acorns. It says Acorns on it. You'll see it. Create your account for free, invest your $5, and get out there and start sharing your referral link so you can make your 14. Now understand, $1,400. Now understand, I just want to make this point really clear. They do these promotions week after week after week after week. So you'll have more opportunities to earn than this. So maybe you're signing up on this one towards the end of the week. Maybe you're seeing it at the end of the week and you're like, oh, I missed out on it. No, sign up anyway and you're going to be able to get into the next one and the next one and the next one, next one. So you could literally take $5 and flip it into thousands of dollars. And if you want to go and see how you can make that a residual monthly income on top of what you're already making, then watch this video here. This one here is where I explain it. I will be making more videos because I know this is a need. I know this is something people really need where they could take a very, very small amount of money and make it a very large amount of money uh, with really not a lot of work. It's really not that difficult to do. And it's really quite incredible. And we just stair step it, you know? So we start with the five, you get the money together that you need to go into another opportunity where you're going to be able to earn bigger, like residual commissions, which could create freedom income for you. Because these promos, they're not every week. Sometimes they're week after week after week, and then they take a break. Like we just took a break, like for a month, but now it's back again in a big way with a $1,400 promo. So um, I think that's freaking awesome. I mean, where else can you go and take $5 and make $1,400 in a week? It's pretty insane. Okay, so thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one.